Concoction rice is the traditional version of Nigerian jollof rice. It got its name from the fact that all the ingredients used in cooking this rice are not what you would normally use to prepare the classic jollof rice. If you want a very traditional Nigerian meal in your life, then concoction rice is for you. To prepare this, we soak the stockfish and the dry fish till they are soft enough to be broken into pieces. Grind the crayfish with the iru, also known as ogiri, okpei or dawa-dawa. Parboil the rice as you would when preparing a jollof rice recipe. Cool it down with cold water and put in a sieve to drain. We then put the pieces of fish in the pot and add onions to that, then stock cubes, add some water and cook till the stockfish is very soft. Then add the pepper, crayfish and palm oil. Click show more under this video to see the full list of the ingredients. Cover and cook at medium to high heat for about 7 minutes. Add the parboiled rice and stir very well, making sure that the water is at the same level as the rice. If not, top it up. Then add the smoked mackerel on top. Smoked fish is very soft, so it needs some tender loving care. Cook at medium heat till the water dries up. Once the rice is parboiled correctly, the rice should be done when the first level of water dries up. Parboiling the rice is my no-fail method of cooking any jollof rice meal. The rice is not burnt, it's not soggy, and it is well cooked. Of course, you have to use the long grain parboiled rice, which is the rice we use in preparing Nigerian recipes. That's it! I assure you, you can't mess this one up because it's already a concoction. See you soon!